Hey, this is Sam Vasquez, and this is part two of my math final, part one. And I'm still going to be doing Unit 7, but this time I'm going to be doing problem number 3. So, problem number 3 starts off as parentheses p minus 6 and parentheses 8p plus 1 end parentheses, right? So, and I'm going to be using the box method as it is my favorite method over FOIL. I just think it's more simple and more clean and it's easier to work with. So to start out with the box method, first of all, you're going to want to make a box and then you're going to want to do a line down the middle and a line across, right? Make 4 spaces. And at the top, you're going to want to put 8p and on the right 1, and then on the left top, it's going to be p, and then on the left bottom, it's going to be negative 6. On the inside of the box, when you do 8p times 6, when you multiply those two p's together, you get a squared. So you're going to get 8p squared. Okay? And then on the top right, you're doing p times 1. So what you're going to get is 1p. Pretty simple. Um, Bottom left, we're going to do 8 times negative 6. And it's important because that negative will become a negative 48p. Okay? And then on bottom right, we're going to do negative 6 we're going to do negative 6 times 1. And negative 6 times 1 is just 1, of course. And we're going to end up with an equation looking like, or once you drag all those numbers down, we're going to end up with an equation looking like 8p squared minus 48p plus 1p minus 6. And what we're going to do here from now on is we're going to combine like terms. We combine the negative 48p and the 1p, and we are going to get negative 47p. And that's the only thing we can combine, really. So other than that, we're just going to put it together, and that will be our final equation. Our equation will be 8p squared minus 47p minus 6. And that is the answer. Thank you. This was part 2 of my final.